Gauge, 14 Aruban florins. Materials, 99% oxygen-free copper conductors. Jacket, high temperature, nylon-braided PVC jacket. Insulation, polyethylene dielectric. Connectors, 24K gold-plated beryllium copper. Pair of speaker wires, enough for 2 speakers. True to their name, flexible, budget-friendly Elac sensible speaker cables offer high value, high performance quotient and deliver full bandwidth and pure signal transmission. True to their name, Elac sensible speaker cables are a no-brainer for listeners seeking a high value, high performance quotient, designed to deliver full bandwidth, excellent conductivity, and coloration-free naturalism. Sensible cables are comprised of 4 nines, 99% oxygen-free copper and a durable braided jacket that withstands repeat handling. Able to both bend and lie flat, Sensible also features a polyethylene dielectric to provide both superior insulation and low dielectric loss to ensure clean signal transmission. Brass connectors fitted with 24K gold-plated beryllium copper contacts for maximum reliability and threaded anodized barrels complete a budget-friendly speaker cable that's at once practical, prudent, and pure. Top reviews from the United States. The best value and sound quality for the MONEY. Audiophile is you spending more money for speaker cables, you wasting your money. ELAC. Sensible speaker cables are best of the best. You can spend a lot more money, but you cannot find a better speaker cable.